Yes, I really enjoy the time I spent here with all my classmates. We're almost like a family because we come into class every day. Even in the beginning of the course, we had to do the online sessions, but then we almost talk to each other every day, so I quite enjoy it. Yes, I think I learned a lot of practical skills here, and I made many friends. I think this is a good choice if someone wants to start a related career. I recommend people starting from here because you will be able to learn the skills that is required to start a business, and you also kind of join the community from here. The teachers were very friendly, and most importantly, they were very responsible. Because sometimes even after we finish class, they stay late. Like most of us stay late, and the teachers will spend more time teaching us. Yes.